inshallah, today we have practice about the perimeter area and the circumference. Before we start كده يا جماعة, I revise again about the formulas quickly. As we said before, perimeter of rectangle will be length plus width
multiply by 2.
Listen to me, please. Perimeter
Okay.
of a square side multiply by 4 and perimeter of any regular polygon length of one side multiply number of sides. Yani, for example, if it is pentagon, multiply by 5. If it is hexagon, multiply by 6, and so on. Circumference of circle as we said before, we have two formulas. One of them, if we have diameter, it will be diameter multiply by or if we have radius, it will be 2 multiply radius multiply pi, and the value of pi we said 3.14. After that, area of rectangle length multiply width, area of a square will be side multiply side, area of parallelogram base multiply height, and area of triangle it will be half multiply length of base multiply height. These are formulas يا جماعة. طيب, now first exercise, complete the circumference of a circle of diameter 10 is شلوك.
Yes, mister. The circumference of the circle diameter 3
Circumference of circle, it's a formula as we said. You have diameter
multiply 2
multiply, no, without 2 حبيبي. If we have diameter, it will be diameter multiply 3.14. diameter multiply by يعني this will be 10 multiply 3.14.
14.
طبعا when we multiply by 10 we move the decimal point to the right one digit
1.4.
يعني this will be
1.4.
31.4 inches.
Okay.
طيب thank you يا حبيبي. تنحي perimeter of an equilateral triangle.
Equilateral triangle.
How many sides in the equilateral triangle?
3.
3. Then the perimeter is
half.
half. Why half? Perimeter, not area. Perimeter.
Perimeter.
We said يا عبد الرحمن the perimeter of any regular polygon is length of one
Length
side
multiplied by sides.
multiply number of sides. Yes?
8 multiplied by 3.
Yes, here the length of the side is 8 and the number of equal sides is 3. It will be 8 multiplied by
24.
3 equals 24 inches. Thank you, Abdurrahman. طيب, area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram. يلا يا حبيبة, Area of parallelogram. The base is 6 and the height is 5.
Okay. 6 multiplied by 5.
Yes, the area of parallelogram يا جماعة. Here we said it will be base multiply height. يعني 6 multiply 5. 6 multiply 5
30.
equals 30 square centimeters. Thank you يا حبيبي. طيب the next يا شباب. يلا سليم. Perimeter of a square of side length 7 inches. Perimeter of a square. يا سليم. سليم. طيب مهند. مهند.
28 inch.
Sorry? I can't hear you يا حبيبي.
28.
طبعا يا جماعة perimeter of a square side multiply by 4. For that we multiply here 7 by 4. It will be 28 inches. Thank you يا مهند. طيب. The next يا شباب. Exercise number 2. Find the area of the following figures. The first is a rectangle. يلا ياسين. هشام. Yes يا حبيبي. Area of rectangle.
كده هنعمل 7 times 11.
جميل. Length multiply by width. يعني 11 multiply by 7. Hmm. 11 multiplied by 7 equals
77.
77 feet power of 2. Okay يا حبيبي. Thank you. طيب the next one. Aysel. Parallelogram. Area of parallelogram.
12 multiply 8.
Also here base 12 multiply height 8 equals
94.
96. 96 yards power of 2. Okay. Type area of a square. Area of a square.
Mister, I have a question.
Okay, ask.
Why did you put power of 2?
Because here we use 2 dimensions. In the area we have its 2-dimensional figure. Use length and width, 2-dimensional figures. In the perimeter, we use only one dimension, length only. For that, we write only the unit without power of 2. In the area,
Okay,
we
thank
use
you.
2 dimensions. Yes.
Okay,
Okay يا
thanks.
شباب. Welcome حبيبتي. يلا يا عمرو. Area of square.
It will be side multiply 4,
No.
9 multiply.
Perimeter side multiply 4. But area?
Sorry, side multiply by side.
Side multiply by side. يعني this one will be
9 multiplied by 9 equal 81.
9 multiply by 9 equals 81.
1
Yes, thank you, Amr.
centimeter 2.
This power of 2. Okay. Exercise number 2B. Find the perimeter. Perimeter. Perimeter of a square. أمجد.
Yes.
Yes يا أمجد. What is the perimeter of a square يا حبيبي؟
4 multiply number of sides.
4 multiply number of sides. يعني 4 multiply 4.
لا 4 multiply 6.
يعني length of one side multiply 4 because here we have 4 equal sides. 6 multiplied by 4 equals
4.
24 inches. Okay, next one. Perimeter of rectangle. يلا ملك.
Yes, mister.
Yes يا ملك. Perimeter of rectangle.
Length plus width multiply by 2.
Very good. Length 7 plus width 3
Multiply by 2.
by 2. Okay. 7 plus 3 equals
7 plus 3, 10.
10.
Multiply by 2 equal 20.
10 multiplied by 2 equals 20 yards. Thank you. Okay. Perimeter of this triangle. In this triangle, the sides are different. ياسين السادات.
Yes.
Huh?
4 plus 5 plus 3
Yes. In this case يا جماعة we add
equals 12.
the length of the sides 5 plus 4 plus 3. It will be 12. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 3 equals 12 centimeters. Okay. Exercise number 3. Find the circumference of each circle and use 3.14 for the length for the value of pi. 3.14. Huh. ياسين الضويني.
Yes, mister.
In the first circle, we have radius. What
And
you
make
do?
7 multiply 3.14.
We have radius here. If you have radius, it will be 2 multiply
by 2.
radius multiply the value of pi. And this will be 2 multiply the radius is 7
Multiply 7.
multiply 3.14. Type 2 multiply 7 equals
2 multiply 7 equal 14.
14. Then now we multiply 3.14 by 7 by 14. 3.14 multiply by 14. 4 multiplied by 4.
4 multiplied by 4 equal 16.
16. 6. Carry up 1. 4 multiplied by 1.
4 multiplied by 1 equal 4.
4 plus 1.
4 plus 1 equal 5.
5. Then 4 multiplied by 3.
Equal 12.
12. After that, we put 0 down the 6. And then 1 multiplied by 4.
1 multiplied by 4 equal 4.
4. 1 multiplied by 1.
1 multiplied by 1 equal 1.
1. And 1 multiplied by 3 equals 3.
3.
Now add 6 plus 0.
Equal 6.
6. 4 plus 5.
9.
9. 2 plus 1.
3.
3. 1 plus 3.
4.
4. And the decimal point after 2 digits. It will be 43.96 inches. Thank you, Yasi. طيب, the next يا جماعة. In this circle, we have diameter 9. عدي.
C equal C equal 9 multiply 3.4 3.14.
طبعا يا جماعة, here we have diameter. In this case, we use this formula. It's diameter multiplied by 9 the length of the diameter and 3.14 the value of pi. طيب, يلا يا عدي, we make the multiplication here. 3.14 multiply by 9. يلا حبيبي. 9 multiply by 4.
Equal 36.
36. 6. Carry up 3. 9 multiply by 1.
Equal 9.
9 plus 3.
12.
12. 2. Carry up 1. 9 multiplied by 3.
Equal 27.
Plus 1.
28.
28. And decimal point after 2 digits.
After two digits.
And the result will be 28.26
8.26.
meters. Thank you, Adi. طيب.
Welcome, Master.
Complete يا جماعة. The of any geometric figure is the sum of its side lenses. What is this? The sum of its side lenses. This will be, it's easy. What you will do if you add the sides, you will find
Perimeter?
what? Perimeter. Yes.
Perimeter.
Yes, perimeter. The perimeter of any figure is the sum of its side lenses. Type the of a circle is the distance around the circle.
Circumference.
Circumference. Good. Circumference.
Okay.
The last, write the formula of each of the following perimeter of rectangle. What is the formula of perimeter of rectangle? يلا. آسر. آسر. آسر.
Yes.
Yes يا ياسر. What is the perimeter of rectangle يا حبيبي? What's the formula of perimeter of rectangle? I write them at the beginning of the session. طيب ممدوح. ممدوح.
I know.
ممدوح.
Mister, can I answer or they can
سليم. سليم. جماعة الناس اللي بتدخل وبعد كده بتخرج ديت تقدروا تكتب الاسم وخلاص. الناس دي ابسنت، خلي بالكم. تمام، اللي بنده عليهم ما بيردش عليا بيبقى ابسنت.
Mister, can I answer?
ماشي يا ملك، يلا حبيبتي. perimeter of rectangle. ها.
Length plus width multiplied by 2.
Yes, length plus width multiply by 2. Thank you يا ملك. طيب area of a square. أيسل. area of a square.
Side multiply side.
Yes, side multiply side. طيب area of parallelogram. يلا عدي. ها.
أيوة مستر.
ها.
طلع من الشاشة يا مستر، قدامي لونها أسود. رجعت تاني. side multiply by 4.
area of parallelogram.
Okay. area of parallelogram.
Mister,
know.
can I answer?
Mister,
طيب choose another one.
Mister, can I answer it?
Who is talking to you? مين اللي بيتكلم؟
حبيبة.
حبيبي بجد؟ طيب يلا. ماشي يا حبيبي، يلا قولي يا حبيبتي.
Area of parallelogram base multiply by height.
Yes, length of base multiply length of height. Base multiply height. Thank you يا حبيبي. طب
Mister, can I
area
answer the last one?
perimeter of regular hexagon.
Mister, can I answer?
ينفع أقولها مستر؟
Okay.
Who?
سمك بلبن
Side multiply
Multiply
by
by 6.
6 because here we have 6 sides. This يا جماعة again the formulas. والله يا جماعة يعني they are very important again. These are formulas again. Perimeter of rectangle. Length plus width multiplied by 2. Perimeter of a square. Side multiplied by 4. Perimeter of any regular polygon. Length of one side multiply number of sides like we did here. Hexagon 6 sides. Side multiplied by 6. Pentagon for example. Side multiplied by 5. Octagon side multiplied by 8 and so on. Okay. Then circumference of circle. Diameter multiplied by, this is if we have the length of the diameter, and 2 multiply radius multiplied by if we have length of radius. Area of rectangle, length multiplied by width. Area of square, side multiplied by side. Area of parallelogram, base multiply height. And the area of triangle, half multiply base multiply height. Every session I'll ask about these formulas يا شباب.
Mister.
اوكي نعم يا حبيبي.
مستر
لو مستر مثلا
يس.
مستر لو مستر مثلا في مثلا شكل بس كل سايد بميجر مختلف يبقى يتعمل ازاي؟
perimeter.
يس.
add
add بعدها multiply ولا add بس؟
add only sum of its side lengths. Okay.
اوكي thank you.
اوكي يا حبيبي. اوكي grade 5. any question يا جماعة؟
لا شكرا يا مستر.
اوكي يا حبيبي. see you tomorrow ان شاء الله يا جماعة. السلام عليكم.
باي.
مستر